Alrighty, well, I did a thing. We got a little rain there yesterday. Well, I call it yesterday. This morning. So, of course, I had some hay on the ground. So, we hadn't run the black truck in a while. So, I hopped in her and, yep, went and did it. Went and broke my rule and got me a travel trailer. So, the rates, good night. What has been going on here? The rate was good on it, so we went and got it. Pretty nice little travel trailer. It pulled all right. So, yeah. Went right on down the road. So, we're going to run it down Cincinnati in the morning and get it kicked off and try to get home tomorrow. I don't know if that hay will bale tomorrow or not. I sure hope so. It's been on the ground for several days and had some rain on it now. That's not what you want, but whatever. The weather this year just hasn't been my friend. So anyhow, we'll see how tomorrow goes, I reckon. But I'm gonna try to get off early in the morning and get back here at a reasonable time. So yeah, there you go. Back in the camper hauling business. I keep saying I'm going to take a week off and work around the farm and then I go back to work. But it is what it is. I just got to keep rolling. So, yeah. Here we go. All right. Well, it's kind of evening time here. And I don't know if you can see over there. Those two black guys right there in the center of the screen. Yeah, those are cows. And tell you a little story about them guys. So, they've been hopping the fence from their pen. And you probably can't tell, but that bean field over there, well, she's kind of split there in the middle, and there's a grass waterway that goes down through there. And them two guys, they hop the fence and they got them a path. They go over there and work on that waterway. Then when they hear me out making noise and moving around while they haul ass up that waterway and they go back to their pen, they jump right in the fence. Then they come up there and they're like, well, wait, we weren't gone. We didn't do nothing. And I swear to you, they've been doing that for I don't know how long, weeks. And they are going right through that hot wire like it ain't no thing. And they're just coming and going as they please. And they're going back, which is, to me, is amazing. I've never had cattle that go back in the pen they came out of. I don't understand it. But I was thinking they was wanting to be hamburger, but hell, it seems like they're just wanting to hang out here. So, anyhow. They're back there chewing on grass. I wish I could get a better shot of it, but I was just sitting here on the deck enjoying my evening, and I seen him, and I was like, I gotta tell this story. So it may seem like a load of bullshit, and them cattle are just on the run, but I'm a-telling you they're not. So, anyhow, there you go. All right, well, so fun times ahead here. Yep. The old-fashioned way. We're gonna pitch it up here by hand. So I'm going to set up time lapse, see how it looks. I don't know, but anyhow, we're just going to show how we do it. This is not the best way of doing it, but that's what we got, so that's what we're going to do. So here we go. Unload hay by hand. Yay! Come on by. We could use a hand. This is the most fun job ever. All right, well, we're bailing along here. I gotta show the good with the bad. So here's some bad. We're getting her bailed up. This hay got rained on the other day. I just couldn't get it dry. So yeah, here we are. We're bailing it. It's pretty poor. This is going to be the worst hay I've made this year. Matter of fact, it's been several years since I've had hay get rained on and I've screwed it up this bad. But you win some, you lose some. I guess I get to lose this time. But, oh, you know, that's part of farming, I reckon. I don't know what to say about it. This year has just not been all that great as far as weather is concerned. Every year's different, and that's part of the challenge. But I tell you what, well, the way things have gone this year, why, it's mighty stressful. So, you know, if you know somebody that farms or whatever and they're struggling, why, you might want to give them a high five, because they deserve the pat on the back. So it ain't all rainbows and sunshine like a lot of them farming channels would like you to see. We struggle pretty hardcore. So anyhow, we're gonna get this hay baled up and do something else. Okay, so yeah, we're on a net wrap. So I guess I'll show you how to do this here. That's the cardboard or whatever, roll it. That comes on, peel that off. Save that guy right there. We don't want to lose that guy, he's pretty important. We don't want to lose that guy either. We're gonna want him. All right, so pull that off there. And then we come back here. And in here we got fresh roll. Okay. So that sucker's got some weight to it. I don't know what it weighs. It's probably every bit 150 pounds. So I'm gonna put you down and snap my finger, and when I turn it back on, it's gonna be over there where it needs to be. So hold on a second. All right, so magic happened and it's on there. So we're gonna take that guy, jam him back on there maybe. I don't know, yeah, that video shot right there probably sucks. That rolling net wrap, it's got some mass to it. Okay, now we got our pin in. So what we do here is we go over the top, that bar right there, go over the top of that. Don't get that caught up on that. That's not cool. Focus. Yeah. Okay. Get us a nice pigtail going there. Okay, now we go underneath of that. Like that. Yeah, and we go up there. We go over top of that guy. Maybe. Alright. Yeah. I'll pull all that tight. See how I got that nice and neat like that? Nice and tight. Okay. Now, I don't know what this thing's called, but jam her down in there. Then we got this guy here, little tool deal. I'm not gonna lie, that is not the one that came with the baler. That is some homemade bullshit that I made, but anyhow, works just the same. And we just kind of stuff her down in there, and you can see down in there why I'm kind of jamming it down in there like that. And you just want a little bit hanging out like that. when you run that. So this guy right here, he moves, and when you hit the button, that thing goes down in there and it catches the hay, and the hay grabs a hold of that net wrap right there, and it does the wrappy. So we're ready to rock again. I'll clean up my mess and get back after it here. I'll make sure we roll that back up. Oh, get on there, you heavy bitch. Why are you not going? All right, I gotta put you down and figure out what I was doing. Okay. We're back in the tractor here. Yeah, we're gonna turn our PTO on. Everything's turning. Okay, I'm gonna show you my fancy monitor. All these guys got these badass round balers with these fancy monitors. I'll show you mine. Oh yeah. Monitor quit working on this baler years ago, so yeah, I figured out how to run it without a monitor. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's doing the spinny, and I just count about 15 seconds or so, and that generally puts enough net wrap on it to make it good. Now you probably can't see back here in between those belts, but I can see it, and I can see there's good net wrap on there. So we'll stop and kick her open, and I can see through the belts again. It's out behind me, and we're gonna take off again. So anyhow, if you were wondering, there it is. If you weren't, then so be it.